What's up everybody, Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we're doing something a little bit different for you. We're doing a Veterans Memorial Fountain here this morning. So this is a little different setup than we are accustomed to. We are trying to make this thing so it can't be damaged or walk off or anything like that. So we're going with big, heavy bubbling rocks, all right? Doing a large reservoir underneath here, about 500 gallons. That way this thing can just run and look awesome year round, and we don't really want to mess with it at all. We just want to have this thing set up to where it's ready to rock and roll. We're going to go ahead and get started. We have to go ahead and get all of our aqua blocks assembled, the reservoir excavated. David is going to finish drilling this rock over here, and we should have this thing all running later on this afternoon. So let's see what happens. It's been like 2 hours and David is still drilling. He's like not even close. How you doing, David?
All right. 30 minutes and I'm not even halfway.
I got a boogie. These guys are gonna finish getting things all hooked up. Rocks are all set now. See you guys in like 2 seconds.
All right, everybody, I'm taking over the vlog channel now. We did a lot of stuff in between from the beginning of today, and now we have a complete fountain that I'm gonna reveal to you guys here right now. All right, so that is a wrap for today. It is Friday, so this was a great thing to accomplish and finish up for the week. We're still thrilled to install a fountain anywhere here in Kansas City, especially with this being the city of fountains. Another big thanks to the crew. What do you guys think?
Tired, good. That looks great. It's all worth it.
So there you have it. I am going to get done talking. And if you like seeing more videos like this, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thanks a lot.